Hey guys, it's your Flower Girl Shelly. So, a couple things I wanted to show you for cleaning your seed from the debris and chaff. Some of the specimens are really super easy to do that with, and then some take a little bit of effort. But for this one, I'm doing the catch fly, none so pretty, the one that I harvested from my own stock this year, and it has the tag showing the year that I'm harvesting that from as well. I have my little funnel to put the seed in its proper place for storage, and then a couple extra because I'm sure I will fill all three of these vials with this. But do you see some of the light brown specks in there? Well, that is the chaff and debris. That's something that I don't want. I mean, it's not a big deal if I just like really clean seed. I like to get rid of all the extras and just leave nothing but the true seed. I'm a bit of a fanatic about it, but it's fun for me. I love doing this. So, but what I wanted to show you, this is just a measuring cup. You could put it in any kind of device, but what I've found is if you just gently shake the container that your stuff is in, then what'll happen is the debris and chaff is lighter than the seed. In most cases, in every case so far that I have tested this on, at least in my experience, that's been the case. And so what's nice about that is that you can just skim off the debris there, put it on your paper plate, and then once you get done going through the whole spiel there. Oh, and what's cool about this, I think, one of the advantages of plastic is that it has a static cling property to it. So some of the seed gets stuck on the side, and then some of the debris does as well. So it kind of helps you in that respect. And then what I do at the very end is I just gently, you can just gently shake the plate to get just the seed to fall down. And as you can see, all the chaff and whatnot is left up at the top. And then I just gently angled this paper plate and brought the seed down. So I can gather every single seed that there is in this collection here. So I'm going to carry on and fill this and clean what I have right here, and I will catch you on the next one.